hacks that only smart people know. See how many you know, especially the 8th one. 1. When pouring a cup of milk into another cup, it often flows down the side. This can be frustrating. Simply place a spoon over the cup. This way, the liquid won't spill when pouring. 2. In ancient times, there were no plastic bags, so they invented this 9-character lock bottle knot. Use a rope to tie it as shown in the video. After tying, you can easily lift heavy objects. This is known as the 9-character lock bottle string. 3. Pulling off tag fasteners can hurt your hands. Just thread it all the way through, then push the arrowhead back through. A gentle pull will open it. No need to struggle or use your teeth. 4. Use a hairpin to put on a bracelet. No need to ask for help anymore. 5. Attach a lid under the soap. This is a highly recommended trick. It's waterproof and easy to use at any time. 6. Vegetable bundling knot, also known as the seedling binding knot. Hold the string and make a loop. Wrap it around the leeks 3 to 4 times. Pass through the loop. Press with your thumb and pull tight. 7. Twist a bag into a figure 8. Place 2 cups inside. Lift it up without spilling. 8. Wrap a damp tissue around the stem of bananas. They will stay fresh for a week without issues. 9. Lay the long thread over the short one. Wrap the short thread around the needle 3 times. Pull the short thread on the left, and the long thread will follow through. 10. Wrap a rope around your index finger 4 times and remove it. Thread it from the bottom up. Pass it through the pendant hole. Thread it from
you.